Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on Fitbit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Fitbit. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Fitbit app. And then you will update your app if you find update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.